Hey all, welcome back. It's me Kevin and I'm here to share with you the importance of having a side hustles these days because side hustles gives you a lot more control over your personal finance so that you don't have to rely on your day job, and having a job is sort of letting others control your personal finance. So anyways, if you're running a YouTube channel as a side hustle, then chances are you'll start to think about what topics you should be doing next or what you should be talking about next. I mean, everyone has their own niche and everyone wants to talk about their favorite topic, but if you truly want to grow your YouTube channel, then there's one sure way to do this, and that is by talking about trending topics. And of course, one of the hottest topic right now is cryptocurrency. Every single YouTuber and influencers out there are talking about it, and I have literally seen YouTube channels blow up just by talking about cryptocurrency. And that makes a lot of sense, right? YouTube is a great place to get the latest information, and if you really want your channel to gain a lot of traffic, then you better start talking about trending topics. Now, of course, you don't just dive into trending topics just like that. One of the things I see most channels do and failed is they kept jumping from trends to trends, thinking that their channel is going to literally blow up. So here's what I found about trending topics, and I would suggest you try and incorporate trending topics into your videos, but at the same time, just be a little bit careful when doing so. First, let's start with how you can talk about trending topics. Now, obviously, depending on your niche, not every trending topic is going to fit your niche. If it doesn't, then don't force it. But if that trending topic is even remotely close to your niche, then you have a chance to do that, and you can definitely incorporate some of those elements into your video. What you need to do is come in from an angle, come in from a perspective where the trending topic can tie in to your niche. For example, I talk about side income, I talk about side hustles, passive income, I talk about personal finance. So from that angle, I'm able to tie in a trending topic like cryptocurrency into my videos, because investing in cryptocurrency is a way to earn some extra money while having a full-time job. After I find what they have in common, which is money, then I can jump into the topic of cryptocurrency and tell people how you can actually earn money from cryptocurrency. Whether you earn or not, that's a different question. But the last thing you want to do is to jump into trending topics that has got nothing to do with your niche. So if you're talking about gaming or fitness, then cryptocurrency has literally got nothing to do with your niche. And if you really analyze those YouTube channels who really leverage on trending topics, you'll see that most of the time in their video, 20% of the content touches the trending topic. The remaining 80% is pretty much something that they want to talk about unrelated to the topic. But these YouTubers, they are actually very smart because they are leveraging on those keywords, the keywords that are giving them really high traffic, which is cryptocurrency at the moment. And they create all these eye-popping thumbnails and really catchy titles in order to grab your attention. And this tactic works really well, especially for big YouTube channels where they've already established a huge number of subscribers. So here's the question: is it really okay for you to talk about trending topics when you don't feel like you're an expert in the topic, or you feel like your niche has got nothing to do with it? In my opinion, I think that it is okay. It is okay for YouTube channel to just leverage on current events, because we're all here to build our YouTube channels. And in order to build our YouTube channel, we need to cater to the market. And people on YouTube, they are always searching for the latest information. And if you really want to grow your YouTube channel, you need to get those views. So talking about current events is definitely one way to do it. Because I've done this multiple times. I've always been creating videos that I like, that people do not search for. So it is actually a lot of effort and a lot of time put into one video, and you don't really want to waste those efforts. Having said that, you can create evergreen content, and it may take off maybe a month or sometimes a year later. For example, a year and a half ago when the pandemic first started, everyone went into lockdown, everyone was afraid they might lose their job, and they started to look into doing some side hustles that allow them to do from home, because, well, everyone is working from home at that time. And that is when thousands of them literally went to start a YouTube channel, because that is something that you can earn money from, and you can do that from home. And to be fair, I'm one of those people as well. But here's the thing, this is when channels who used to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, that's when their channel literally blew up. Now, of course, those channels didn't just start talking about how to start a YouTube channel at that time. They have already been talking like even before the pandemic first started, but they might have not gotten the traffic that they got when the pandemic first started, and everyone is literally searching on how to start a YouTube channel. And also, this is one of the reasons why my videos aren't taking off, because I'm already too late to this niche and I'm still in this niche when people are no longer searching for it. The other topics that people are always searching for are things like stock investments, real estate investments, how to make money fast. These are the type of topics that are considered as evergreen content, where people are literally searching for it almost every day because everyone just wants to make some extra money. But to me, the money topic is really competitive, and it is really hard for small channels to build up around this niche. Not impossible, but it's just really hard. If you do want to talk about money, then I suggest that you start talking a little bit about trending topics just to get some traction for your channel. And then once you're established, once you're a big YouTuber like those other big YouTubers out there, only then you can consider talking about whatever you want. So that's my approach on how I would tackle trending topics. I would first look at it from a different angle, from a different perspective, and then I'll try to go in from there and slip the topic right into my videos. But not every trend is going to work. If the trending topic right now is about some celebrity or some gossip, then that is going to be really hard for me because it has got nothing to do with my niche at all. Now, the other thing about talking about trending topics is that you need to be extremely careful with a few problems. The first one is believing that every YouTuber or influencers out there are experts in those topics. Take cryptocurrency for example. Look, I get it. Every YouTuber and influencers out there are trying to talk about cryptocurrency because it is trending right now and it is getting them tremendous amounts of views. And the reason people are searching for cryptocurrency is because people just want to make some easy money. In my opinions, the majority of the people are investing in cryptocurrency is not because they believe in the power of cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency is going to literally become the only currency of the world. But rather, I feel that people are investing in cryptocurrency because it feels more like a get-rich-quick scheme. People just love to get rich quick and easy, right? So cryptocurrency seems to be one of those ways. And YouTubers and influencers, they know about this. I've watched a few YouTubers or influencers talking about cryptocurrency, and let me be honest with you, most of them don't even know what they're talking about. As a matter of fact, nobody knows what's going to happen to cryptocurrency. Probably Elon Musk does. So if you're watching those YouTube channels who talk about cryptocurrency and how you can make money off it, just be a little bit careful because not everyone is doing it because they want to help you make more money. In fact, they're doing it because they just want to get more views. And there's actually nothing wrong with that because we are all here to grow our YouTube channel, and to get more views to our channel is how we can grow. But what I'm saying is, if you're going to talk about cryptocurrency, then do it because you want to help your viewers make some money. For example, Graham Stephan talks a lot about cryptocurrency, but in every single video of his, he always advises you that if you want to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum or Dogecoin or any cryptocurrency, then invest with the intention that you are going to lose those money and you may not see those money back ever. He also speaks the truth that investing in cryptocurrency is a high risk investment and nobody on earth knows what is going to happen to cryptocurrency. Another thing that I really appreciate from him is the fact that he is being really honest about not being a crypto expert, and that everyone should be careful with all the advice given out there about crypto, especially on altcoins. And this sort of leads me to my second point, the power of YouTubers or influencers. Now, this is just my experience and my personal opinion, so don't take this too seriously. But sometimes when I watch those YouTube channels who talk about crypto, my gut's feeling tells me that they just want you to buy certain coins because they want the price to go up. Basically, what I mean is they're playing this pump and dump game where they try to push up the price of a coin and then they sell it off. I mean, I don't really watch stock investment videos, so I don't know if that happens in stock investment as well, but it felt like at some point telling people to invest in cryptocurrency or altcoins, it feels like a trick. What I'm trying to say is it is possible that there are some YouTubers out there who might have bought some altcoins and then they started promoting those altcoins to all the viewers on YouTube in the hopes that the price is going to go up so that he can sell it off at a really high price. And that to me is quite unethical but not impossible because influencers these days, they have so much power when it comes to marketing. They can easily manipulate the market if they want to in a more subtle way. It's not the same as Elon Musk where everything he says just pushes the price up. Now, I'm not saying that every influencer or YouTubers out there are doing this. This is just my personal experience and my personal opinions, but it does feel like that sometimes. I'm not that sort of influencer who has that power. But if you are the influencer who has that much power, then please, if you're talking about some trending topic, try and do it in such a way where you put your viewers first instead of your own interest. Don't try and scam them or trick them so that you can get some money off them. The topic of cryptocurrency is searched by many people who just wants to get rich quick because they are just too lazy to earn money the right way. So it is really easy to manipulate their greed, but the least we can do as influencers is to raise awareness so that they do not get burned by this whole cryptocurrency craziness. Because there are people who would literally throw in their life savings into investing in cryptocurrency, gambling their luck, and hoping to become a millionaire. So that's my take on cryptocurrency and the thousands of YouTubers and influencers who are just talking about cryptocurrency every single day. Nothing personal against those people who are talking about it. Just be genuine and don't do it because you want to make a profit off them. Let's just be civilized and ethical here. As for viewers, if you're into this whole crypto thing, just be mindful that not every influencers out there are giving advice with you in mind. No one can help you except you, so be really careful if you decide to tap into cryptocurrency. Otherwise, you can always choose to trust me because I care for you. And if you want to know more about cryptocurrency, make sure to check out the video I did on cryptocurrency. That's all from me in this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't. That would be much appreciated. Have a good day, take care, and chat with you soon. Bye.